necessity and the respect for privacy. The Kargil conflict provides a perfect illustration of the ethical tightrope we walk when dealing with advanced technology. It's a vivid reminder that while autonomous drones can be instrumental in ensuring safety and strategic superiority, they also pose profound ethical challenges that we must grapple with. The use of autonomous drones in the Kargil conflict underscores the double-edged sword of this technology. It can save lives, but it also raises serious ethical questions. Who bears the responsibility when an autonomous drone makes a fatal mistake? This is the question that we find ourselves grappling with as we delve deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence in aerospace. The issue of accountability in AI is a complex one. When a decision made by an AI leads to the loss of life, who do we hold responsible? The creators of the AI, the operators, or the AI itself? The challenge lies in the fact that AI systems, unlike humans, do not possess intent or consciousness. They simply follow the programming and algorithms developed by their creators. This makes attributing responsibility a difficult task. One potential solution could be the implementation of stricter regulations. This could involve setting clear guidelines on the development and use of AI, ensuring that safety and ethical considerations are given top priority. Furthermore, there could be a greater emphasis on transparency from companies developing these technologies. This means being open about how the AI operates, its decision-making process, and the measures in place to prevent errors. However, these solutions are not without their challenges. Stricter regulations could stifle innovation, while transparency might expose trade secrets. Yet we must strive to find a balance. We must ensure that the benefits of AI do not come at the cost of ethical considerations. The question of responsibility in AI is one that we must answer as a society as we continue to navigate the complex ethical landscape of autonomous